Another week and another grocery haul. So let's see what I got from Blinkit this time. A pack of air fresheners, a Mr. Play roll-on, some rolled oats for my overnight oats, baking soda for some cleaning purposes. By now you must be knowing that I love these makhana munchies from Farmlay. Sanitizer because I'm traveling next week. Some onions. It's time to prepare lunch. So I have lots of vegetables like cabbage, carrot, beans. So I thought of mixing them all up and preparing like a fried rice. So I've already cooked the rice. Now I just need to make the gravy and just mix the rice with it. That is for lunch. And then for dessert I ordered tiramisu cake from Yummy Bee. So Yummy Bee has these sugar-free, no gluten, no maida, eggless cakes. So since I'm on the no sugar journey, so I thought of ordering that. It's my first time that I'm having this, so let's see how this turns out. But before that, let's start cooking the fried rice. doesn't taste that it doesn't have sugar. It is a little sweet, but it's not as sweet as the tiramisu, which is normally made from sugar. If you're in Hyderabad, you need to check out Yummy Bee. Hi everyone, it is the next day, so I'm going out to get myself a watch. Actually, it is a gift from two of my closest friends. So they are gifting me watch this year for my birthday. So I'll put the image of the watch over here so you can see which watch I want. So I saw it online, but it doesn't have return options. It just has like exchange options. So I thought, why not just go to the store and get it, because I've not worn analog watch for I don't know how many years. I wear only the digital watch, and sometimes I don't even wear, so it's all like bare hands. And also I have like my wrists are very small, so I don't know how the watch actually looks like on my wrist. So I just wanted to go to the store, check it out, and then buy. So the watch is in Casio, Lifestyle and Shopper Stop. So let's go to the mall and check. Going to the gym because I'm PMSing so much. But let's go to the gym because we have to. I came back from the gym. It was a really short session of 40 minutes. It was a quads day, so normally I do around 6 exercises of quads, hamstrings and calves. Then I do stairmaster for some time, then I do treadmill cardio. But today I couldn't even complete the exercises. I just did like 5 exercises, and in between I was just like dragging myself to finish up those exercises. I didn't do any of the cardio. I just came back home because I was very low on energy, and I didn't eat anything much as well today, so I was craving for carbs so much. So I ordered paneer rice bowl from California Burrito because I don't have the energy to cook. And since I'm traveling to home next week, so I have finished all the meal prep and everything, so it doesn't get wasted. So I don't have anything to cook as well. So I just ordered and I'm just waiting for the order. So it's a question to all you girlies. Do you prefer to work out before or during or after your periods? For me, in my case, I generally prefer to work out during the periods, but I do work out in all these 3 phases, but my most favorite is working out during the periods because you are just rotting in the bed, and it is a great way to like just come out of your whole zone and just be a little more productive, and your mood also improves a little. And when you start doing exercise during your periods, your period pain also it reduces a bit. I feel like at least for 1 hour you don't think about your period pain. So I like to work out during periods, but I also work out before and after the periods because I feel effective giving excuses of having my periods, and I think the cycle goes on and on because you in girls menstrual cycle you just get like 1 proper week of good energy during your ovulation cycle. So if you don't work out for the 3 weeks, you're just left with 1 week. So I just hit the gym even if I do 2 or 3 exercises or a little bit of cardio, that is also fine, but I just like show up at the gym, or even do like some other, like probably like go for a walk or something, whatever helps my mood. So let me know how your mood is during all these phases, and if you generally prefer to like work out in any of these 3 phases. So I'll end my vlog over here. Actually, the plan was to do some skincare. I got clay mask. I thought of trying that, or even like put on some sheet mask. But then I got an acne over here, so I don't want to disrupt it. I have never used the clay mask, so I don't know how it would react to my skin. So we'll just end the vlog over here. Hit the like button if you like the video, obviously. Subscribe to my channel, and until then, bye bye.